Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to create room in your Imo account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already signed into your Imo account. This is very easy and simple process. Now let's get straight into the process. Firstly, you have to open your Imo app. Here we go. Your Imo account opens, and then at the top you can see different options. You have to tap on that third option in this way. Now here you can see the option My Room. Tap on that. Now here you can see that you have opened your room. Now you can tap on that 2, 3, 4, 5 number in this way and invite the speaker to speak in your room, or also you can take mic or lock mic. And also at the top you can see that add topic option. Tap on that, and here you can give a name to your room in this way. In this way, you can easily create your room in your Imo account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.